Something really cool you could do here is get a custom, get one of these things. They kind of sit on your shoulder. They look like this here. And they're controllable, so you control that, you make their mouth move, make their wings move, and they sit on your shoulder. You can see it, they got it on a stand here, they can sit on the shoulder. So, are you able to, can you give me a demonstration with that? Are you able to like, show me what it does?
I can.
Just for a quick second?
Yeah, no problem. So 3 functions.
Oh, there we go.
The top button moves his head left and right. The ring opens his mouth.
Nice.
If the sound was on, the sound isn't working on this one. It would scream, do the banshee scream when you do the ring. And then
Nice.
the trigger does his wings. So, and then of course you can combine those together.
And what does that cost?
This is $59.99.
$59.99.
And it comes with a clip for the controller.
Mm-hmm.
You can set that on your belt. And then the, hey sir, 1 second, you got to do the adoption pledge. You're not done yet. And this is the shoulder harness that allows the banshee to ride on.
Oh, awesome.
A magnetic strip.
Gotcha. All right, thank you so much.
All right, my pleasure.
No problem. As soon as you come out of the Avatar ride, you step into their store. They got blue popcorn, $7. Some of their clothes here. You got it's $36. Pandora hats. The hat is, how much is the hat? There you go. $28. $50 for the jacket. I don't know if anybody's interested in this stuff. $22 for, I'm assuming these are like ornaments. Just kind of light up like a little. $24 for these, I guess because they light up. It's a Pandora hoodie. This thing, let me see, $54 for the Pandora hoodie. Scarves, $25 for the scarves. These are brand new. The shoulder plushie. How these things work is there's a magnet. It goes under your shirt and they stay on your shoulder. So these are $20. They're brand new. Got some of the baby stuff here. $32 for that.
Stop buying patches.
We've got Pandora book bag. I don't know if there's a price on that. Oh. $40 for the book bag. These are $15 when you buy two. Buy 2 hats. And then you get 2 water bottles. $20. All the shirts are roughly, look, this thing is $35. $35. Got the $22 for the coffee or tea mug. These are all the same. So, what else we got over here? Other shirts here, $25. Some of the mugs here, $15 for that. This one's kind of interesting. This one is $23. It's got the, I guess, the Hallelujah Mountains. And $23 for this water bottle. So, got that. Over here we have some other plushies. These are $20 for these plushies here. And here we have a special magic band, the new Pandora magic band. They have plenty in stock. So $32. I don't know if they do anything or not, but they're here. Survivor gear. These mugs are $15. They have, these are always fun for the kids. You pull the trigger and they fly. More plushies over here. These are kind of new. It says they just arrived. So these little baby products, $25 for that little shirt. And then $32.99 for the baby Navi plushie. These are all the same price. Just the ones at the top. These are the same. These are $21. And then you got some glow in the dark stuff here. I don't know if it's more money because it glows in the dark. $27. And the mug is $22 each when you buy two, if you want to. Glow in the dark shirt. $25. So they're all about $25, $30. It's a book bag with a tail that glows in the dark. I don't see a sticker. There we go. $40. $40. And I can't seem to put it back. There we go. I've got, I know a few people, I think I'll get this for Christmas. Maybe Ryan will like that. $25 for that. And some of the head dressing from the movie. I'm not sure. Doesn't really. Oh, these are 17, 27. The bigger they are. Some bow and arrows for the kids. Those are always fun. The ear bands are $30. And of course, everybody wants to get drums for their little ones all day. And I don't see a price tag on the drums. No price tag on the drums. Oh, it doesn't really say. And that was Windtraders. The Windtraders avatar.